like his breath is
His heart's beating, it's just quivering right now.
Okay, today we have invited the STEM NOLA Fellows here to engage with us at LSU Health Sciences Center to see exactly what happens with healthcare careers. We have several physicians here. We have an orthopedic surgeon here. We have an emergency medicine doctor here. We have a simulation doctor, and we also have medical students here enjoying us with this event.
So what machine did they say would be helpful for him? The defibrillator, the paddles, the pads that they put on the chest. What that does is it allows it to send energy in there, electrical energy, to change the rhythm of his heart. This is called the Student Learning Center, the Isidore Cohn Student Learning Center. And this is a space that was created back in 2001 in the School of Medicine to help give early exposure to clinical and procedural training to our medical students before they get into their third and fourth years with our clinical years. That's listening here. Now I'm going to listen down here a little bit further down in the lungs.
Sometimes we have to say, like, is it wheezing? Is it crackling? Like.
The STEM NOLA Fellows are here at LSU Medical School to participate in a Health and Medicine Professions Expo.
You feel it? You don't? Correct? Okay, we're listening here on this person. Now we're going to
Some of the fun things I done today was we went to a lab to study the human body, and I got to listen to a normal lung sound and an abnormal lung sound, and I also got to look at a pulse, and I also got to look at a patient who was, who had a stroke. That was very fun and informing. I also liked the main part about how I learned about the heart system and how if a heart has a stroke, how abnormal it can get, and that was very funny.
That some of the nerves in your brain are blocked and cut off from the rest of the brain.
That is correct, and they can do that.
It was a really cool, really fun time to learn about not only different aspects of being a doctor, but this specifically what we're doing with like the bones, that's like real orthopedic type of stuff, and I think that's really cool, like drilling in, slapping on attachments, making people better. I like it.
Go ahead. Just take your time. Yep. You can go full speed on it.
Yeah, so the best thing that I did today is between the fixing bone fractures and like checking and like diagnosing a patient in the other STEM lab. Obviously, get through high school, go to a good medical college, and I want to be a research doctor to find a cure for myelofibrosis.
We gave them an introduction on what life is like as a physician, and more specifically, my part was to introduce them to what an orthopedic surgeon's life is like. Because of these kids, a lot of times don't get the exposure to people like myself, and if they never get the exposure, they don't know that I exist, or or how to find out how to become a professional like myself. So therefore, me reaching back and exposing them and telling them about what I do and how I came to do it, at least gives them an option, something to think about as to whether they may want to pursue that as well.
Full speed. You put this guy down, get in the center of the hole, full speed, and you'll feel yourself go through one cortex, because the bone has a strong thing on the outside. You'll feel yourself go through one thing, and then you'll feel yourself like you're hitting something else strong. And then after you hit that other thing strong, you'll go through that, because you have to get through both walls of the bone. Okay? There you go. There you go. Yep. Perfect. Hey, you're a natural. Look at that.